can't swim.
You're waterlogged. I can't lift you.
Don't worry about me. Get out of here.
That's not how sidekicks do.
I'll be back with a new robot who has an accurate name and super laser eyes, and he'll feed me ham. Evil ham.
About this job. What are the hours like?
Well, it's 7 days a week, but you get your own plane.
Let me in! I demand a callback! Knuckles, what's wrong?
That Knuckles Jr. isn't working out.
Oh. So you're saying you need a... I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, when it does sings. Oh, Martinella.
Knuckalina!